Okay.
Alright. What you're looking at is me sitting on what you want.
Yeah, what is this?
2002 Yamaha 1100.
You've got one of those. Well, he's blocking it out, but you've got one of those little baby license plates.
Get off my license plate.
No.
It's just real dusty.
You've got mirrors.
I'm taking good care of it.
You've got those little mirrors.
Mm-hmm.
And I don't think it has a radio on it.
No. It's a motorcycle. What?
No, I do a 360 of it, but it's sort of small.
Solid bike. Everything works real good. The battery has a lot though. Guards everything. Very fast bike. You're gonna go 160 down the road. Trying to kill yourself.
Yeah, it's got the
Buy
blinkers.
one of these about $500. $3 grand.
Yeah, I'd say that's about right. Oh no, you've got these exhausts. Yeah, that's cool.
Dual exhaust.
Yeah, a dually.
They really shake the people beside you. Really freak them out, especially when you got some chilling on the back like this kind of thing. You know? Really gets their attention. Especially when you're driving like this.
Yeah, I don't think the person behind you is supposed to really put your feet on the ground when the driver does.
You're not.
I don't think you're supposed to.
You're not. That's about all for today.
See, battery, engine. Sort of cool. Oh, fenders. Alright, well that's a wrap on that.